Okay, so I wrote a little program last night to try to speed things along for us today. So let me just go through these variables real quick because I could have screwed them all on the screen. We're going to have a win probability of 50%.
Yep.
We'll do 1,000 trials at the beginning. Each trial lasts at most 100 or a million turns. We're going to start with 100. I have two ways to measure the bet. So here, capital bet. Here I made 10, but let's check the time when you bet $100 every time first.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's not quite exactly what you said. What did you say?
I said bet like close to all your money each time.
Okay. Close to all your money.
Like $99.
$99 if you can. Okay. And then your goal is to get to 1,000, and then this success counts the successes in each trial.
All right.
Okay. So your money is your starting money. That's the beginning of every trial. That's $100.
All right.
When we go through, we can make a different bet. Notice this is a small bet.
Yeah.
But first, what I'm going to do is just show you how this runs, betting $100 every time.
All right.
Okay. And so we go through, and if you win, you win. If the random reel is bigger, so bigger than 50%, your money increases by the bet amount, and if it's less, it decreases by the bet amount. Okay, so this line doesn't come into play. This is going to be for more complicated bets.
Okay.
Okay. And if your money goes less than 0, we just exit.
All right.
And if the money is above the goal, we also exit, but then we exit and count that as a success.
All right.
Okay, so for 1,000 trials, we get 97 successes.
No. Yeah. Okay.
I run it again, 88 successes. Run it again, 102 successes. 117. Maybe if I go to 10,000 trials. 995. 1,001. So what do you sort of see as happening here?
So
About how often are we winning?
It's around 1/100th, or no, 1/10th. 1/10. We had 100 before.
Okay. Yeah. So we seem to be winning with this strategy about 1/10 of the time.
Yep.
Okay. I'm going to change the starting the bet to $50. What do you think is going to happen here?
I think it's going to be more successful.
More successful.
But less.
Right? What do you think?
I think it might be. It's hard to say because this is just kind of more steps, but it might not be any more successful.
So you think
I think it'll be around the same.
Oh, you think it'll be around the same? Okay, interesting. 975. Do you notice anything about how this runs now?
It's a bit slower.
It's a bit slower.
Like I said, there's more steps in this one.
61.
So it actually looks like it's a bit less likely. Or
1,005.
It's close to around the same.
76. 992. So what do you see?
It's like a tiny bit less likely that this will win for you, because we had numbers as low as, for this one we had numbers as low as like 965, and the numbers for the last one were all around 1,000.
Okay, I'm going to run 100,000 trials now. This will take a little bit longer, but maybe it'll allow us to go back and compare to the $100 bet. So this is the $50 bet. So here we had 10,124 successes, and with the $100 bet, $2,020. So what do we notice is happening, or what do you think is happening?
So they're about the same probability of winning.
Yeah, they're about the same.
I guess sort of the more steps sort of kind of cancels out the less money that you're betting.
Yeah, that's interesting.
It's about all equal.
It's a pretty surprising result. But now let's take a look at your. We'll go to the next video and take a look at your strategy. Okay, and then the last one we'll do yours.